Hi, Gary Podak, Service Manager here at Lexus in Madison. Thought I'd shoot a quick video and let you know of a huge promotion we got going on this month on tires. Before I do that though, I'm going to introduce a couple people. This is our parts manager, Jacob. He's the one that stocks all the tires and actually takes inventory of your winter and summers. We also store winter and summer tires free when you buy tires here. Next guy over is Mark Peterson. He's our tire service advisor. His one and only sole job is to basically measure your tires, and he might even approach you when you come here for service to let you know if you need tires or if there's something going on with your tires. That is Mark's sole job. He eats, breathes, and sleeps tires. So if you meet Mark and he starts talking about tires, take his advice. He knows what he's talking about. Big announcement is this month we have free installation on when you buy a set of 4 tires for your Lexus. That's basically a savings of $130. It's a great deal. The first time we've ever done this, so come on in while that snow is falling and you're slipping around on these Madison streets, and we'll get a brand new set of tires on your Lexus for you. Appreciate everybody tuning in, and we appreciate your business, and we'll all see you hopefully soon.
Thank you.